Welcome to Grow With Angie. I'm Angie, and today I'm going to be showing you this adorable little salad bowl microgreen kit that you can purchase off of True Leaf Market. With only 7 to 10 days, you will end up with these. What a great way to learn microgreens, maybe put it in a classroom, homeschooling, or even just to determine if microgreens is something that you want to try. There's so much information out there on how to grow microgreens, and it can become confusing. But don't confuse yourself. I'm here to make everything easy. What I'm going to do is go ahead and unbox this one with you and set it up and show you how we got to here. I filmed this one the last 7 days, and you'll see the progress of how it grew, and I'll walk you through that. And then you can determine if this is a cute little project that you want to try for yourself. You can see this is the salad mix, and this one that I grew previously is actually a mustard seed. So they do have different ones and come with the complete kit of whatever you're choosing to grow. You can go ahead and just slide it right out of the box, and you can see everything is packaged inside. Pull off your lid, which will be used as your dome. Adorable little mister and spray bottle. And then here are your little seed packets, and it will say right here, this is a basic salad mix. Then it comes with these little cocoa core bricks. Now, since I already opened up this one, I will show you the inside. You have all your instructions. They make this very, very easy to follow along from all of the days. I actually did mark down what my days were, so I knew where I was in the day chart as we go along. So what it says is to take these little cocoa core bricks, and you're going to add about 7 tablespoons of water, which is just under a half a cup. And I have that all measured out already. And I'm gonna pour this in, and this is so much fun. Now, on a personal note, when I first opened my seeds, I thought there were so many seeds, it was just going to be overwhelming in this little bowl, but it is all measured out perfectly, and you don't have to worry about overseeding. You're going to want this to be as nice and flat as you can possibly get it. And then just shake your seeds all over. And if you don't get them perfect, that's all right, because I will show you in the video of the other one that I grew that I did have to move some of my seeds around to make sure that they were not clumped in little areas. Then you're going to take your water mister, and this again is measured out perfectly, that you can just spray this down and use the entire mister and get these seeds nice and soaked. And it does recommend that you mist a little bit on the bottom of your lid. So have a little bit of water for that. And then you're gonna go ahead and put your lid on. And putting it this direction is really making those seeds stay nice and tight, locking them in there, and it will force the roots to grow down into the cocoa core instead of just popping up through. Now you're going to want to take this for 1 to 2 days and put this in a darker area. If you want to put a little towel over it, that's fine. You can even pop this into a pantry or a cupboard, but 2 to 3 times a day. I just did it morning and evening. You can take your lid back off, then you can go ahead and spray this again. And then I'll show you what I recorded with this one over the last couple of days. Now day 3 is when I opened it up and I misted it and I started to spread the seeds around a little bit better. And I also wanted them to get into the light, but I realized that they needed to be evened out just a little bit. Day 4, I really introduced them to the light by not just pulling them out of the corner that they were in, but I put them on my deep water culture tub to get those lights. Day 5, I misted it again, but this time I added the dome and I flipped it over because I was seeing a little bit of drying out of the cocoa core and I wanted to keep that humidity and that moisture inside. Now, after day 5, when they're starting to look like this, you don't want to be misting them anymore because that will not be enough water. So what you can do is take little half tablespoons or teaspoons and just kind of pull these leaves back and drop your water in all over on the top. But you don't want to oversaturate. It's better to do less water at this point. If you do more, you can introduce mold down into the bottom, or your leaves might get all droopy because they are overwatered. Once you have enough growth to get your scissors down in there and snip these off, that is probably a good determination of how tall they are and if they are ready to eat. I actually think I'm gonna let this go just a few more days. We're at the 7-day mark, 1 week, and it says 7 to 10 days, and I wanna see if I can get these just a little bit taller to get some scissors in there and snip them off easier. But I really like these. I think I'm gonna order more. They're so much fun to grow and so super easy. If you enjoyed this little project, please leave comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next episode of Grow with Angie.